Hey guys, and welcome back to Neon Travel. Today we're in the city center of Formigine, which is the town where we're staying. The vineyard that we're staying at is about 2 kilometers that way. Had a nice brisk walk over here. Yesterday when we were on our way to Modena, I walked through this area and realized that I have a lot to discover about the place where we're staying. So I think that's what we're going to do today. We're going to walk around, check out to see what makes Formigine. Alright guys, let's do it. That was a little short-lived. We've walked through the majority of the town with really not that much going on. But I can't help but feel like I missed something. Like there's just something that I forgot to. There was. So currently we're standing at the base of the castle, and right now we would be in what used to be a moat. You could see this is the drawbridge. Going underneath here. Watch my head. And you could see this is where water used to be running. Another cool thing about this castle that's in the center of town is that they have this beautiful restaurant that overlooks this grassy area that's right here. I think we should give their food a try. I don't know. At the very worst, I could say I've eaten in a castle. Sounds pretty good to me. Let's go. Hey guys, so before dinner, I decided to come to the other place that happened to be in the castle that I had no idea even existed. And that place is the Enoteca del Calcagnino. I know I really butchered that really badly, but starting off with little aperitivo.
Prego.
Grazie.
Okay.
So pretty much what I was just brought was a little bit of salami and cheese with some bread. It's pretty Italian. Restaurant, and it is very nice out here. I feel underdressed being in a t-shirt with a blazer. It's a casual chic, I guess. Let's hope the food is just as great as the atmosphere. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm eating, but I think it's some sort of wild rice. I taste bell pepper, there's some peas, and I believe it's chicken. I mean, who knows? Everything tastes like chicken, right? but it is delicious. Bread, but man, I really can't do it. I know I'm already gonna have pasta with my preemie, and I'm really not used to eating this many carbs, if I'm being honest. Being here in Italy has really messed me up with that. I'm used to a pretty high protein and vegetable diet. Usually not much of a simple carb, breads, pasta eater. I want to make sure that I have enough room to actually eat what I've ordered. That's, to me, the most important thing. Although the bread does look delicious. The struggle is real, people. The struggle is real. So the first course that I ordered is Parmesan flan with balsamic vinegar, and I really wish they invented smell-o-vision because this smells absolutely insane. Think of like the most decadent mac and cheese with the best Parmesan and, you know, of course, balsamic vinegar, the region where it's made. I think this is going to be amazing. Wow. I don't know what I thought I was expecting, but that just blew my mind. I think I could eat like 10 pounds of this stuff. I would end up weighing 500 pounds. But, oh my god, calories don't count tonight, guys. A must-have if you ever come here. A must-have. I have to say, I haven't quite gotten used to eating like an Italian quite yet. With all of the food, all of the courses. I'm already starting to feel full, and this is supposed to be my appetizer. I still have a preemie and a secondi. Oh my goodness. Good thing I'm walking home tonight. So for my preemie dish, I got something that I first saw on Massimo Bottora's masterclass, which was tortellini in broth. It's something I had never heard of prior to that, and I saw that they had it on the menu here, and figured, why not? Let's see what all the hype's about. If it was anything like that Parmesan flan, oh man, I might just never leave this place. Okay, I see what all the hype's about. It reminds me of like a way better, the thing that's coming to my mind is like a homemade chicken noodle soup, but way better. I don't even know what is inside the tortellini. The tortellini mixed with the broth. Oh man, it's fantastic. It's like Italian comfort food, yet the flavor is Michelin star. There's a lot of emotions going on here, and I'm loving all of it. So my waitress just came by and offered to put Parmesan cheese on my dish. Wow, did that just take it up another level? There's Parmesan cheese. Life just doesn't seem to get better than this, I think. I might be peaking at this moment. This might be it, people. You could be seeing the peak. But if that is, I'm okay with it. If it means I get to eat this stuff. Oh man. One more dish to go. One more. I don't know if I could do it. This one's supposed to be like the big one. It's the meat dish. Oh, we got this. Let's rally. We got this. Here we are. It's the main event. Slow braised rib, glazed in balsamic vinegar. Naturally, why wouldn't it be? The smell is insane. I mean, it comes on this fantastic plate. Then nice small baked potato, some flake sea salt for garnish, and the rosemary. I'm glad it's not so huge, not like American portions. I might be like right here when I'm finished, but I think it's definitely gonna be worth it. I really am full, guys. This ain't a joke. I can't stop. It would just be a travesty to let this go to waste. It's now or never. I'm choosing now. Oh man, I'm really struggling. 1.5 to go. I started with 3. I'm only halfway. Here we go. Have you ever eaten so much that you start to feel delirious? That's how I feel right now. I've been at this dining experience for a little over 3 hours. 6 courses. Not used to eating like this. I still have half of one short rib to go. I'm gonna need all the strength, guys, but I'm gonna definitely be able to do this. I'm gonna get there. Here we go. Last bit. For glory. There it is. I did it. Wow, that was a lot harder and a lot more delicious than I thought it was going to be. And who would have thought this amazing experience happening in a castle? Let's not forget, in case you forgot, it's in a castle. What? So now, even though it's like 10:30 at night, I'm ending my dinner true Italian style with an espresso. This is something I would never do back in the States. I mean, I usually stop drinking coffee at noon just because it usually keeps me up all night, but it's just a part of the process here. And honestly, I think I get it, because with as much as I had just eaten, I didn't think I was able to get up from this table. And now I feel like I've got a little bit of energy, and the walk home might not be so bad. And my waitress was so sweet and brought me a little cookie, even though I told her I didn't want it. The cookie is delicious, and it is going with this espresso beautifully. It just seems every day things are getting better and better. Alright guys, that concludes my dinner here at the castle. Thank you for watching. Be sure to press that like and subscribe button so you know when the next adventure is about to come. Ring that bell, baby. Ciao.